Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with AWS Amplify for user sign-in step by step clearly. To authenticate with AWS Amplify for user sign-in, start by creating an AWS account if you don't already have one. Once logged into the AWS Management Console, navigate to the Amplify service. Click on Create App to begin your new project. Select Add Backend Environment to set up your backend resources. Choose Authentication from the list of services available for integration. Follow the prompts to configure the authentication settings for your application. Select User Sign Up and Sign In as your preferred authentication method. Next, you will define the sign-in method by choosing between email, phone number, or both. Set up the necessary attributes that you wish to collect from users during sign-up. Once all details are filled out, click on Create to establish your authentication environment. Now, switch to your local development environment and install the AWS Amplify library. You can do this by running the command npm install AWS Amplify in your project directory. After installing the library, import Amplify and the configuration file in your application. Call amplify.configure to initialize Amplify with the configuration settings you've created. Next, create a sign-in form in your application with fields for username and password. For the sign-in process, utilize the auth.signin method provided by AWS Amplify. Handle the sign-in response to determine whether the authentication was successful or if there was an error. If successful, redirect the user to the appropriate page or display a success message. In case of an error, display a useful message to help the user troubleshoot the problem. After implementing user sign-in, consider adding functionality for user sign-out. By calling auth.signout, you can easily handle user logout within your application. Test the complete flow of signing in and signing out to ensure everything is functioning as expected. Finally, review your Amplify configuration to ensure it meets your security and user experience needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.